So now we are going to solve the year questions of banking, and here goes the first question. Shahrukh opened a recurring deposit in a bank, deposited rupees 800 per month for 1.5 years. If he received rupees 15084 at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest per annum. So here, first of all, the first thing we have been given in the question is rupees 800 that has been deposited. So that is the monthly installment because it has been given per month. So here the given thing is given. So given is monthly installment. Monthly installment. In monthly installment, we denote it by letter P, and that is equals to rupees 800. Then, since it is given for 1.5 years, the time given is time, which we denote it as N, is 1.5 years. And in recurring deposit account, we have to convert the time into months. So if it is 1.5 year, how we will convert it? 1 year means 12 months and half year means 6 months. So it would be altogether 18 months. Again, now comes if you received rupees this much at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest, right? So here again it's given this much is received at the end. So at the end the amount of money we get is known as maturity value. So maturity value, we can also say it as MV is equals to rupees 15084. So now we will write that what we are supposed to find in it. We are supposed to find, what do we have to find? Find the rate of interest per annum. So to find the rate of interest, and we denote rate as R. So we have to find R in the given question. Now, as we know, since it is a question of recurring deposit account, so the formula we would be applying would be of recurring deposit account, and that formula is, first of all, since there are only two formula in this chapter, in this topic, so we'll use the first formula, that is for interest. It is I is equals to P into N plus 1 by, first we'll write R, and in by portion we'll write three numbers, 2 into 12 into 100. Clear? Now here comes that how we'll just apply it. Since the rate is not given, we will just leave it as it is. We'll write I is equals to, so here is the solution we are solving for. P is rupees 800, N is 18 months, so into 18 plus 1, because N plus 1, into R, we don't know, we'll write it as R, by 2 into 12 into 100. So here it would be 800 into 18 into 19 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. Clear? Now, what we will do, we can cancel it out as 2 ones are 2, and here just cancel these two zeros. 2 fours are 8. Clear? Now 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12. Then 3 ones are 3 and 3 six are 18. So what we have got is 6 into 19 into r by, in the denominator we have got 1 into 1 into 1, which means it would be 1 only. Okay. So now we have to multiply. So now we've got this one. So 19 into 6. What is 19 into 6? We can also multiply it over here. 19 into 6. 19 into 6 is 6 nines are 54. 5 carry. 6 ones are 6 and 6 plus 5 is 11. So we have got it as 114. And since r is also there, and whenever we multiply a variable, it will just get attached to that number as it is. So here if we have to just know what interest we have got interest in terms of r, and that is 114 r. Clear? Now we have to find the value of r, but we don't know the value of interest. We know the value of maturity value. So we will put the formula for maturity value. And what is the formula for maturity value? Maturity value formula is maturity value, which we also write it as MV, right? So it would be P into N plus I. And we know the respective terms. P is for monthly installment, N is for the time period, and I is for interest. And as we can see over here, we know the values that the maturity value is rupees 15084. Clear? P into N. P into N means P is rupees. How much is P? Here only we have put that P is 800. So it would be 800 into what is N? N is 18 months. So 800 into 18 plus what is I? We have got I in terms of R. So we will write it as 114 R. Clear? Now we'll first multiply these two numbers. So here it is 15084. We'll just leave it like that. What is 18 into 18? Because we know since there is there are two zeros in the end. So in the final answer we could add the two zeros there. So 18 into 8 is 8 8s are 64. 6 carry. 8 1s are 8. And 8 plus 6 is 14. So we have got 144 and two zeros we were supposed to add. So now we will add in the answer. It would be 14400 plus 114R. Okay. So here it is 15084 is equals to 14400 plus 114R. Okay. So here what we could do is, so here 15084 is equals to 14400 plus 114R. So in order to find the value of R, we'll have to just leave it over here only and transfer this to this side. So it is here as a positive number. So if it will go to this side, it would become negative. Negative, which means 15084 minus 14400 is equals to, here we will leave 114R. Okay. Now we'll just subtract it. 15084 minus 14400. So 4 minus 0 is 0, 8 minus 0 is 8. Here we'll just 10 minus 4 will be 2. So 10 minus 4 is 6 and 4 minus 4 is 0 and 0. So the answer we've got is 684. and here it is 114R. So it is 114 into R. If it is 114R, which means 114 is getting multiplied with R. So multiplied, if a number is getting multiplied over here, it will transfer it to the side. It would get divided. So 684 by 114 is equals to R. So now we could just cut it off, cancel it. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2 5s are 10, and 2 7s are. Okay, now we'll just, so here it would be you'd cut it by 19. 19 3s are 57, 19 1s are 90, because 19 2s are is greater than 34. So 19 1s are 90, and how much we would get over here? 17. So 17